So we need to fix one little thing here. In the previous exercise, we created the loop. It got it to go through multiple text files, importing it into Excel. But we saw that when we did the loop, it kept pasting the new content onto the same worksheet, just wiping out what we pasted in there earlier. And that's really not what I want. Every time we open up a text file, copy the contents, and then paste it into our Excel document, I want it to also create a new worksheet for every text file. So this is super simple and really quick. Looking at our procedure here, right before this line, right before the active sheet.paste, I'm going to hit my enter key just to create a new line there. Right before that line, we're going to insert a new sheet. So I'm just going to go right back to the workbooks object, and we're going to get into the first workbook. We've already got an active there. We'll get into the worksheets object, and we're going to add. That's it. Really simple. Get to the workbook that we want to work in, get to the worksheets object, and add one. Once it's added it, then it can paste it. Like I said, simple. Let's just add a worksheet. Paste in the content into that new worksheet. So let's try it out. I'm going to close the Visual Basic window. And just to make this a little bit cleaner, let's get rid of these two sheets. I'm just going to delete that one, and let's delete sheet here. And on sheet 1, let's just clean it up. I'm just going to highlight this and delete. All right, that looks good. All right, so let's run our macro. Go back up to View, and Macros, View Macros. I'm going to grab the import text file and run it. All right, there's my browse window. Let's just grab a few here. We'll say April and February and March. I grabbed 3. I'm going to go ahead and open. All right, here's April. I'll say no. There's February, no. And there's March, no. And back into my active workbook, I got my 3. There's March, there's February, and there's April. My 3 worksheets on brand new worksheets inside of Excel. So try that out. Simple little line. Just add a worksheet before you paste the content. That's it. Get to that point, and then we'll take it a step further.